Now we are to complete it, the exercise 2.1. Now we start the exercise 2. We are to start this exercise. Before solving the examples, we are known about the formulas which are required to solving the exercise 2. That point is sum of, next point is sum of first n terms of geometric progression, that is G, sum of the geometric progression. If we consider that the terms of geometric progression if T1, T2, T3 up to Tn are the geometric terms in geometric progression. T1 first term, T2 is second, T3 is third, up to Tn is the nth term. And we know that the nth term of geometric progression is Tn equal to A multiply R raised to n minus 1. That is the nth term of geometric progression. If these terms are A, T2 is AR, T3 is AR square up to AR raised to n minus 1. These are the terms in geometric progression. If we are taking the sum of this geometric progression, plus up to plus, so that is summation for R from 1 to n, that will be represented by the SN. SN stand for the summation. And that first formula is sum of geometric progression is Sn equal to A is the first term. A is the first term into the bracket 1 minus R raised to n divided by the 1 minus R, and condition is if R is less than 1. If R is less than 1. Second one, Sn equal to A into the bracket R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. If R is greater than 1. Number 3. If Sn equal to n multiplied by A, if R is exactly equal to 1. R is equal to 1 असेल तर summation काय n multiply A. A is the first. It means, for example of this geometric progression, if we are taking 2, it means numbers are same and common ratio is also same. At that time, that will be written as the summation of geometric progression. Yes. So these are the important formulas. Number 4, in some time it is using Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. From the geometric progression, we calculate the nth term. by using this relation Sn minus Sn minus 7. So these are the formulas which are required. These are the very important. Sn r less than 1, r greater than 1, r equal to 1. These three formulas are basic of this sum of the geometric progression. Now we start the exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Now say this. First question. Find. Question is for the following geometric progression, find Sn. Already the sequences are in geometric progression. So first is the 3, 6, 12, 24 are geometric progression. So this implies that A is first term, R equal to next number divided by the previous, that will be 2. This 2 is greater than 1. At that time we apply this formula Sn equal to. Therefore Sn equal to A into the bracket r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So Sn equal to first term is 3, r is 2 raised to n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. Sn is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by the 1. And final answer is Sn equal to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to n minus 1. That is the sum of the first n terms of geometric progression. Now, second example number 2. For a GP. First example, if A is equal to 2, R is equal to minus 2 by 3, then find S6. किती फाइंड आउट करायचे? S6. Which formula is applicable? Sn is equal to A into the bracket 1 minus r raised to n divided by the 1 minus r if r is less than 1. हा नंबर 1 पेक्षा लहान आहे, निगेटिव्ह. r is less than 1. Now put all values. S6 equal to first term is 2 into the bracket 1 minus r is the minus 2 upon 3 raised to 6 bracket completed divided by the 1 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 3 2 upon 3, then minus 2 upon 2 by 3, then is equal to 2 into the bracket 1 minus minus 2 upon 3. Power is even number, So that will be written as 2 raised to 6 upon 3 raised to 6. Divide by the 1 minus minus plus 2 upon 3. 2 upon is equal to 2 into the bracket 1 minus 2 raised to 6 is 64 and 3 raised to 6. Calculation of this 3 raised to 6. How much? Multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 6 times. 999. Multiplication 81 multiply 9. So we get 729 upon denominator 3 plus 2 5 5 upon 3. Then S6 equal to into the square bracket. Take this subtraction. 729 multiply 1 729. Subtract the 64. So we get 5. 12 upon 6 6. What is remaining? We get 665 upon 729. Divide by the 5 by 3. Now this one 3 divide to this 729. We get 3 2 6. 3 2 4s are 12 and 3 2 3s are 9. 243. Multiplication 665 multiplied we get 0. 1 carry. 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 1 30. 1 carry. Again 30. Divide by the 200. Divide, or maybe it will be written like this: 2 multiply 665 upon 5 multiply 243. Again divide this: 5 to 665 1 3 3 and this multiplication. So we get 266 upon 243. So that is the required solution of this example. 266 upon 243. So that is the required solution. Now next number, that is question number second example. Second, if S5 equal to 1023 1023, R equal to 4, and to calculate the value of A. Calculate the value of A. So apply the formula SN equal to A into the bracket R raised to N minus 1 upon R minus 1. आपण हा फॉर्म्युला का सिलेक्ट केला तर R इज ग्रेटर दॅन 1. जर R 1 पेक्षा मोठा असेल तर हा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करायचा आणि लेस दॅन 1 असेल तर हा फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल जो आपण अप्लाय केला तो. n is the 5. First term is a into the bracket r is the 4 raised to 5 minus 1 divided by the 4 minus 1. ठीक है. Yes, 5 is the 1 0 2 3 equal to a into the bracket 4 raised to 5. It means written as 2 square raised to 5. That will be 2 raised to 10. And 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Divide by the 3. 4 minus 1. यामध्ये सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा टर्निंग पॉइंट कोणता आहे तर 2 raised to 10 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला पटकन कॅल्क्युलेट करता आली. So a multiplied by 1023 divided by the 3. These two are cancelled. 1 equal to a upon 3. So we get a is equal to 3. A equal to how much? 3. So that is the number 7. Now again, next one. Question number 3. For a GP. यामध्ये प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन मध्ये 2 एक्झाम्पल आहेत. यामध्ये आपण फर्स्ट if a is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, SN equal to 242, then we calculate the n. काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं n. Value of r is greater than 1, so we apply this formula. SN is equal to a into the bracket r raised to n minus 1 divided by the r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. 3 फॉर्म्युले सांगितले, त्यापैकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करा. r equal to 1. Put the values. SN is the 242. Value of a is 2. R is 3 raised to n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 242 equal to 2 into the bracket 3 raised to n minus 1 divided by the 2. This 2 and 2 is cancelled. 242 equal to 3 raised to n minus 1. Minus 1 is transfer, we get 243 equal to 3 raised to n. 243 means 3 raised to how much? 5. की जे आपण आताच पाठीमागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये येतो. 243 means 3 raised to how much? 5. This implies that n equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So that is the required solution of this example. So this question number 3 first is completed. First example is completed now. ठीक है. In example number 3, second example. Example is for a GP. For a GP, sum of first three terms. Sum of first three terms means S3 equal to 125. S3 means sum of the first three terms is 125. Then sum of the next three terms. First term S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. Sum of the next three terms means S6 is sum of the next three term is 27. म्हणजे फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स जे आहेत त्यांचे ऍडिशन किती आहे 125. इथं थोडंसं कन्फ्युज होऊ शकतं. फर्स्ट थ्री टर्मचे ऍडिशन 125 आणि नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स जे आहेत त्यांची ऍडिशन किती आहे 27. टोटल किती होतील 125 प्लस 27. That addition 7 plus 5 12, 1 is carried, 3 plus 2 5, so we get 152. And then we calculate the R means common ratio. So we know that Sn is equal to A into the bracket R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This implies that S3 equal to, if we take R is equal to 3, then that becomes A multiply R cube minus 1 divided by the R minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Sorry, R is R minus 1. Similarly, S6 is equal to A into the bracket R cube, R raised to 6 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So that will be S3 is 125 and S6 is 152. So we divide these two terms. Now S6 by S3 equal to 152 divided by the 125. S6 is the A into R raised to 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 multiplied by S3, taking the reciprocal. So R minus 1 upon A into the bracket R cube minus 1 equal to 152 divided by the 125. इथे काय करायचं, ह्या सेकंड टर्मचा रेसिप्रोकल येतो. These two are cancel, R and R cancel. We get R raised to 6 minus 1 upon R cube minus 1 taking the factors by using the identity A square minus B square. So that factors are R cube, R raised to 6 minus 1. That factors are R cube minus 1. Second is R cube plus 1 divided by the R cube minus 1 equal to 152 upon 125. These two factors are cancelled. So R cube equal to 152 minus upon 125 minus 1. 152 minus 125 we get 27. upon 125, and if we take the cube root, then we get 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. निगेटिव्ह आन्सर आपल्याला घेता येणार नाही, कारण निगेटिव्ह नंबरचा क्यूब निगेटिव्ह आणि पॉझिटिव्ह नंबरचा क्यूब पॉझिटिव्ह, त्यामुळे याचा आन्सर ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही क्यूब रूट घेता त्यावेळेस पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर आहे त्याचं क्यूब रूट किती येईल? 3 upon 5. So that is the required solution. So in this exercise we are to complete the question number 3. In next question number 4 to 12, number 4 to 13, these examples are very important. So that will be solved in next exercise. Okay.